Hey, good morning guys. Snow avalanche. That's gonna be demonstration today. How to remove the snow from your roof. Quick and easy. You see the snow avalanche is made of 5 sections. I put 3 together right here. I got 2 more right here that I will add after. Gonna start with the first part of the roof. So you have enough room to put the extension and push that a little bit further. Quick and easy, it's still physical, as long as you walk in deep snow, but you see you have about 2.5 feet on the roof. It's quite a load, even if your pitch, your roof pitch is up to code. Mine is made of shingles. It is not slide out, so the load will keep on piling up. And if you get a big rain, it will add a lot more, which we may encounter pretty soon with spring approaching. So anyway, let's go and do that, show you how it works, but super quick and easy. Let's go. So just place it on the bottom. You don't have to worry too much about the tarp. It will place itself and it will slide anyway. So I did that with one hand, but and you have just push it. You have a ton of snow coming. It will collapse on top. Here we go. And look at that one hand. 2 minutes. So I'm gonna finish that part, put the bigger one, and get the rest of it. And I'll show you a full section that I've done in about 7 minutes. So, which is a quarter of the cabin. And if you wanted to, you don't have to go to the extreme. The main purpose is to remove some of the load on the roof, and half could be enough. So, okay, let's go. And I made another video in the past about it. You can find that it's generally around $100 to $150 on internet or in stores. I googled that, got that out of one store at $50. It is sturdy enough, it's very good. It is more expensive to buy your material and make it yourself at Lowe's. I think it was coming up to about $60 plus labor. And that particular one at $50, if you sign up, you get an extra 20% on your first purchase. So basically I secured that for $40, so there's no better deal. So quick and easy and cheap. Okay, let's get going.